Hey, what is up everyone? It's Jeffrey Fung, also known as FBA Jeffrey, and this video is going to be extremely insightful. So if you're not sure how the model that we do, how we sell on Amazon, how it even works, if this model works, if it's saturated, any concern that you have, I'm able to answer all of this in this very quick video. I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know if this model is meant for you, okay? So a little bit more about myself. I've been doing this model since November 2022, so it's been a little over 2 years now. I've done over $10 million in lifetime sales by selling name branded products. And you might be thinking, oh, that sounds like BS. Well, I have a lot of proof, right? I post very, very, very frequently on Instagram. Check out my stories, check out my testimonials. I post a lot. The main difference that I found is online, there's a lot of people making these bold claims, 5 million, 10 million, 20 million. They never post their numbers. So that's where I was like, okay, I could be unique by actually posting results that I genuinely have, right? And just to add a little bit, this is my phone. Let me log in here. As you can see, let me just pull it up. I'm opening the Amazon app. I could give it a couple of refreshes. As you can see, for today, we have done $8,400 in sales. For the week, around 60,000. So over here, right? And I could click into it, right? Like the app fully works. And I'm doing this just to show it's real, to show that I still sell in this model. I've made a lot of money on this model and it works. I can tell you for a fact it works. And I currently operate a warehouse with 3 full-time employees where they manage everything, and I, as the business owner, I'm just responsible for making sure the business is running and it's profitable. I also have 2 virtual employees where I hire them overseas and they manage the back end, like the accounting and the very tedious stuff, so that I have the time to make videos like this. And what I mean by selling name brand products, I literally mean it. In this model, we are not creating our own brand. We are not marketing. We're not doing any form of sales. We are literally selling name branded products. And this is actually pictures from my own warehouse. I've sold Tide, Quaker, Chewy, Dial. These brands are well known. They've spent like a generation creating up that trust, creating that customer base, and we're simply capitalizing on that. On the right side here, this is actually a picture of my warehouse where we house all of these products, and it's very, very simple. The biggest reason why most businesses fail or that they struggle, even businesses that make a lot of money, if you ask them what is one thing that you wish you could do better, they'll probably say something along the lines of acquiring more customers, and that's genuinely facts. And what makes the model that I teach and that we do so unique is we do not acquire a single customer. We don't run ads, we don't do marketing. All of our sales, it comes from products that already have demand, which is why I was able to scale my Amazon business to $10 million over the course of 2 years, or just over 2 years. I'm no different. 2.5 years ago in November 2022, I worked a corporate job. I came from a very normal background, and I could tell you for a fact, if I can do it, then you can as well. And here are just some of my sales. Earlier this year, I went to Cancun with my girlfriend, and I was posting this every day on my Instagram stories, my day-to-day sales. This is like the timeline. So January 9, January 10, 11, January 15. Every single day I was doing $14,000, $14 to $15K in sales at around $2,000 to $2,500 USD in pure profit. So that's where I currently at. I could tell you all of this is real. Like I said, full proof on my Instagram. And this model has worked for countless other people as well. I have made YouTube videos with this is my very first student. His name is Benny. We went to university together, or we went to school together basically. And when I first started posting my results on Instagram, he hit me up. He was like, Jeffrey, I really want to start Amazon. So we got him set up. I provided him the system, the template, everything. And then within the course of 3.5 months, we got him to $20,000 a month. And I have a whole YouTube video with that. So please watch that. Very, very insightful. Another student that hit 10K would be Baith. He did it in 4 months. I can tell you for a fact that you can genuinely get to $10,000 a month in profit in 4 months. Obviously, some people, they could do it a little bit earlier, some people a little bit later, but it really doesn't matter. The main key in this model is to focus on learning the right foundations. If you build a strong foundation and start with a very a wide base, then you should not have a problem scaling, because in this model, the logic is very, very simple. You want to make more money, make more profit, make more sales, you just buy more and sell more. Very simple, like literally simple as that. And to do that, It's all about learning it correctly, learning the foundations. And that's where I come in, right? I provide that system. I've literally scaled my business from $0 to $10 million. I've helped countless students do this. I've literally have so many students who have passed $10,000 a month in profit in around the 4-month timeline. I've encountered every problem multiple times over, so I can tell you for a fact, this is very, very possible. So if you're doubting yourself, I'm no different, Benny's no different, Beta's no different, all of my students, we've all started somewhere. The only difference is we decided to give it a shot, to say, okay, I'm just gonna try and see. And I can tell you for a fact that this is one of the best business models out there online, simply because you don't have to show your face, you're not marketing, and you're not selling, you're not doing sales of any sort, right? And you might be asking, okay, Jeffrey, like you've done $10 million. What are some of these products? Well, I've sold like everything, literally everything. Like I said, I sold groceries, I've sold shampoo, body wash, I've sold Band-Aids. I made tens of thousands of dollars in profits off this. I sold North Face backpacks. I've even sold Nike socks. I'm telling you, there's so many items that sell. So let me just talk about a couple lessons that I've learned along the way to generating $10 million. So obviously the biggest challenge in any business is obtaining new customers. We already talked about that, but it's true. If you really think about it, it's true. Even with hair salons, the biggest issue with hair salons is scalability, but that also ties into customers, because when you open a hair salon or a bakery or whatever it is, you're tied to a specific location, in the sense where if you open a hair salon in New York City, only people around 10 or 15 minutes away from you will go there. Someone who lives halfway across the world or even across the country in LA will never visit your hair salon. That's just the reality. You have scalability problems. You will be having challenges obtaining new customers. But with this model, I'm literally generating sales to people in LA, in New York, in Florida, in Canada. I don't know these people. I only see their names on Amazon. I never communicated with them. I never talked to them. So it's pretty crazy. This is definitely an opportunity of a lifetime. Another thing that I noticed is what most people want is automated, hands-off, and profitable, right? With automated, like I could tell you for a fact that right now in my Amazon business, I'm working anywhere from 4 to 5 hours every single week. Funny fact, that 5 hours, it all comes from me working on Mondays. And that's just, on Mondays, I'm just restocking my items, making sure everything's profitable and everything's running. 95% of everything on Amazon can be automated. I'll tell you that. And now you might be asking, why Amazon? Why this model? So I actually searched this on ChatGPT. So according to ChatGPT, Amazon generates over $1.7 billion every single day in sales. That's crazy. That's nuts. That's $620 billion every year. That's a lot of money, right? And what's even crazier is from that 600 billion that's generated every year in sales, 60% of that total comes from third-party sellers. So people like me. There's a lot of demand, right? There's a lot of money in this model. Even if you look at this is also from ChatGPT, right? Third-party sellers account for 61% of all total sales on Amazon. Like I could tell you for a fact that Amazon needs third-party sellers, and as they keep growing every single year, they're literally growing. As more and more people believe in online shopping, I could tell you they'll need more third-party sellers. But even ChatGPT is saying it's very reliant on third-party sellers. So I could tell you that there's a lot of money in this. It's not saturated. It's still growing. This like literally online business, shopping online, especially after the pandemic, where now more and more people are beginning to realize how, convenient online shopping is, they're all flocking to Amazon first. But essentially with this model, we position ourselves as an online retailer. So think of Costco, think of Walmart, right? Except we do it online. We sell name branded products. We're not creating anything ourselves. We work with authorized distributors to purchase products in bulk for bulk pricing. So we buy from the people who supply Walmart and Costco these name branded products. We also only buy within the country. So if you're in US, you buy from distributors in US. If you're in Canada, you buy from distributors in Canada. We do not deal with anyone overseas. But now that you're hearing all of this, how much money is there really in this business? Let me show you a software designed especially for what we do, showing you how much money there really is. So right now we're in this software where it basically helps us, do product research for Amazon. But I want to use this as context to show you how many people there truly are like crushing it on Amazon right now, right? So with every single number over here, I'm hovering over East Coast near like, New York, Philly area. There's 2,780, right? That's the number. That represents 2,780 sellers. There's a lot of people, right? As you can see, there's a lot of people making good money. It's even crazier because right now I'm filtering it at minimum 50,000. So there are 2,780 people in the East Coast area making a minimum of 50,000. Just think about it. There's so many people in the East Coast alone. That's not even accounting for anywhere else, right? West Coast, in like LA, in San Francisco, in like Washington, all of these people that are crushing it. These are people doing it full time. And if I was to take it one step further, filter it by 500,000, there's 400 people selling 500,000 or more, right? That's over $100,000 every single month in pure profit. Florida, LA, there's a lot of opportunity. If I was to make it even more, 5 million, let's see, 37 people, right? That just shows you how many people, like it's crazy. It's actually crazy. And these are all sellers, right? This person's doing 12 million every single month. That's 120 mil every year. 30 mil, that's 300 mil. 360, right? There's a lot. These people are crushing it, right? And if we click into the actual store, we see them selling like LG, Samsung, Sony. They're selling like TVs. Sorry, it's like cutting off a little bit, but it's pretty crazy because none of these people are selling like their own brand. They're selling name branded products. Let's look at this guy. They're selling Fluval. I don't really know too many of these brands, but I know like their name branded stuff, right? Maybe for some of you, you know about this, but isn't that crazy? There's people selling like name brand stuff. Like, look at this person selling Canon, Apple, Sony, Nikon, GoPro, doing 23 million every single month. That's 230 mil every year, right? That's unfathomable, like borderline, right? Like, and that is 5 million. I can change this to 40,000 and then filter it to 80,000. Oh yeah, that's a lot. Look at this person. GNC, that's like a supplement brand. Listerine, Jelly Belly, right? There's a lot of people making a lot of money doing this. And even though it looks like there is a lot, even though like that, this is putting it out of context, right? Because I'm showing you exactly, like in the grand scheme of things, not a lot of people talk about this. This is not a very known method because it's boring. And like people like flashy things. They like to talk about, fun stuff. But in reality, it's the boring stuff that makes a lot of money. And from a more higher level perspective on exactly how we generate sales, how this business actually functions, here's what it is. It's a very, very quick breakdown and I'll run it through it. So firstly, you create your Amazon account. Anyone can do that. It's very, very simple actually. And then once you have your account open on Amazon, you open wholesale accounts with authorized brand distributors. So we find authorized distributors for name brand products such as Tide, Band-Aid, Nike, these authorized distributors. And once we get the account open, we purchase products at a lower price and sell at a higher price point on Amazon. We act as the online retailer. Like I said, similar to Walmart and Costco, except they have a retail location, a physical location. We are doing it online instead. So once we get these products, we place the order and ship it into Amazon fulfillment centers where they handle all the customer service, everything, right? Everything. We ship everything to one location and they do the rest, right? When a customer buys, they ship it to them. And then once we see the sales and profit roll in, we go back and buy more of it. And with what we do, the more you buy, the more you spend with distributors, the better pricing you get. So it's a whole endless loop. And if you want to make more money, you open up more wholesale accounts with more distributors. And I just want to wrap up this video by telling you that there is a world out there bigger than your 9 to 5. I'm telling you from my own personal experience, I come up from a very traditional background. I was told to get a degree. I went to university. Ironically, I have a bachelor's in business, ironically, and I was a banker. I worked a very corporate job, and I could tell you for a fact that that's just a very small bubble, right? There's also another world out there where you could quite literally make a full-time income or at least have side income or create something that's super, super leveraged on top of your 9 to 5, right? And I could tell you for a fact, it just starts with you making that decision, being like, okay, today is the day, and just starting. But I hope this video has been very insightful. It's a very quick video as promised. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know and we'll go from there. Thank you.